Good day! In this video, we are going to read number in words and writing them into numerals. Numerals means Hindu-Arabic numerals. There will be a few levels of this lesson so that you will master number in words, writing them into numerals. There are 25 items for you to answer, and please take note of your score at the end of the session. Your score tells you about how good are you in the subject matter. So make it good, kid. You may use your paper and write down items 1 to 25 and your corresponding answers. Are you ready? Here are the questions. Question number 1. Write in numerals. This is the numeral 5. Number 2. Write in numerals. This is numeral 1. Number 3. Write in numerals. Numeral 4. Number 4. Write in numerals. Numeral 2. Number 5. Write in numerals. Numeral 6. Number 6. Write in numerals. Numeral 9. Number 7. Write in numerals. This is numeral 7. Number 8. Write in numerals. Numeral 8. Number 9. Write in numerals. Numeral 3. Number 10. Write in numerals. This is numeral 1. Number 11. Write in numerals. Numeral 2. Number 12. Write in numerals. Numeral 4. Number 13. Write in numerals. Numeral 5. Number 14. Write in numerals. Numeral 3. Number 15. Write in numerals. Numeral 6. Number 16. Write in numerals. Numeral 9. 17. Write in numerals. Numeral 5. 18. Write in numerals. This is numeral 5. 19. Write in numerals. Numeral 4. 20. Write in numerals. Numeral 2. 21. Write in numerals. Numeral 6. 22. Write in numerals. Numeral 9. 23. Write in numerals. Numeral 3. 24. Write in numerals. Numeral 7. Write in numerals. Numeral 8. Congratulations! This ends the lesson for the day. I hope you make it good. Otherwise, you will make it better the next time. This is Teacher Edward saying bye-bye, but don't forget to visit, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. Hey, would you like your child to be assist in his or her mathematics skills? Then search and join our Facebook group. See you there.